100 degrees. It's supposed to get over 100 degrees later today. I've had some trouble getting videos out recently. I took a video of me changing out the headlight, and the camera shut off on me and I didn't realize it. So I got some of the video, and some of the video I don't have. So I'm going to put together what I can and go ahead and post that video out. So this is by way of introduction to that. Apologize if there's some lack of continuity to the video because the camera's waiting on me. Turns out that the SD card had an error. I had to format it. Alright guys, Joe here, also known as Simple Man, and today we are going to replace the stock headlight. That's what it looks like with power off. And as you can see, it's quite yellow looking in comparison to the LED Rogue Rider Industries turn signals. So hopefully this will make it match in temperature and color. There it goes. Alright, so we're going to put the fairing back on. Alright, so this is what it looks like at night. High beam on. A lot brighter. So I think you'll agree that it looks a lot better. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe, hit the comments, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload new content. With that, I'm out. Stay safe and keep it simple.